In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a portable Firefox. And then we're going to configure it to use the IP burger. So just do a Google search on portable Firefox. Then you're going to go ahead and download the portable Firefox. So I use portable Firefox because it keeps everything separated. You don't have to delete the cookies or the cache or anything like that. You can just keep it, and it just creates a separate profile for each proxy. So once it's downloaded, it's time to install onto your PC. So at this point, you just run the install process by clicking on Next. And then you can go ahead and place it on your desktop for easier access. Go ahead and click on Next. After that, go ahead and click on Finish. Now on your desktop, you can go ahead and search for your saved, installed Firefox edition. So once you find Firefox Portable on your desktop, you can go ahead and click on it to open it. And then directly from your portable Firefox, let's go ahead and search for the IP burger plugin. And then here in the search results, once you find it, we can go ahead and add the IP burger proxy. And this will just add it as an extension. You just go ahead and click on Add to Firefox. And your extension should be here. Once you open it, you can go under Settings. Now we will need to configure this. So now in your IP burger, you're going to go over to the proxies, and you can go ahead and select anyone. It can be any random one. Then once you open it up, just go ahead and click Download VPN. So now because I'm using HTTPS proxy, that's the most secure. Then you can go ahead and click right there, and then you can just go ahead and copy the server address, the port, the username, as well as the password. For example, the server name, go ahead and copy it, and then go over to the IP burger proxy and VPN on your Firefox and paste it to the server host name or address. Also go ahead and copy the port. And for the friendly label, you can just go ahead and add whatever you would like. Paste the port where it asks for a port, and then do that with the rest of the information. Once you have all of that filled out, go ahead and click Save. Now, when you have this IP burger configured, your status should say protected. Also, in your extension, it should be under the color green. If you don't have the green light, it means the proxy is not turned on, and it will actually be impossible to use. So for example, here you can see that it's red and it's unable to find the proxy server. So you are always protected. So if you happen to miss a payment, it will be red. And if you try to get in, it will be red unless you have the correct information. And just changing one letter on the password or the server host name could actually make this red. So once you're filling in all of the information for the IP burger proxy and VPN, make sure that you're copying and pasting every single word or letter. This way you will be sure to have the green light instead of the red light. Once it's green, you can go ahead and jump into your eBay. When it comes to the proxy server, this is the most secure and, in my opinion, the best one. So the way I manage stores is I have these folders here, and you have to have one portable Firefox for each store. Now, without changing anything, it's super easy. I just go ahead and click on it, and you can see that the proxy is already connected. For the IP leak, you can see your IP address. And you can see the eBay store as well under this IP address. So for the protocol, sometimes I put HTTP, sometimes I put HTTPS. HTTPS is better. And besides that, I use the server host name, the port, the proxy username, the password, click on save, and I am protected. Obviously, when the extension is green, you can navigate. The proxy is fine. When it's red, you cannot navigate. something has gone wrong. Just be sure to check your information in that case. And that wraps up this tutorial.